Ever get tired of dragging around a heavy trimmer or fighting with an extension cord? Yeah, I've been there. That's why I switched to the rechargeable 2-in-1 Hedge and Grass Trimmer. It's super lightweight, cordless, and easy to use, even for a 58-year-old grandma. With the Hedge blade, I can shape the shrubs and bushes without my arms getting worn out. And then with a quick swap, I can clean up some grass hedges in those hard to reach spots. In this case, I'm taking care of some grass in a flower bed that I'm going to come back and put cardboard and some extra mulch, and then this will all be cleaned up. But I don't want to weed whack it because I don't want the weed eater to ruin my irrigation that I've laid down. I love the adjustable head, makes it easy to get a perfect angle for trimming. I love that it comes with its own case. I'm a sucker for a good case. It just makes my shop so much neater. And it runs on a 22-volt rechargeable battery, and the charger is included. No gas, no cords, no hassle. Now yard work's quicker, easier, and honestly kind of fun. If you want a simple lawn care without the struggle, this tool is a game changer. Thanks for watching.